Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 28. We are learning unit 4 part 1 dictionaries. Let's check the syllabus once again. What is dictionary? Dictionary as a collection of counters, looping with dictionaries, reverse lookup, dictionaries and lists, memos, global variables. In previous lecture, 3 topics completed, first 3 topics. In today's lecture, we will discuss reverse lookup and dictionaries lists. Finally, in next lecture, we will discuss memos and global variables. Let's get into the lecture. Coming to the first one, reverse lookup. First of all, what is meant by lookup? We need to know that. So in the dictionary, lookup means we know that dictionary contains two things, key and values, right? Based on the key, you are finding the value. So you are taking the key, by applying the key, you are getting the value is called lookup, right? So example, take one example, capitals. Capitals of India gives New Delhi. India is a key. New Delhi is a value. So by applying key, you are getting value is called lookup. What is meant by reverse lookup? Yes, by applying value, you are getting the key, right? Reverse, right? So you are giving the value, you are getting the key. So the problems here is first one. So one key having different values. So that is one problem. Now coming to the second one, there is no simple syntax. So these are the two major problems in reverse lookup. We need to give one function. So define one function, see here. So reverse lookup, this is one function. The arguments are D represents dictionary, V represents value, right? Now take same example, parrot, right? This is the dictionary of parrot. You are giving the value 2. So V value is 2. V value is 2. Based on that, you are finding the key, right? Already we know the answer, but we need to give the program. So for K in D, that means all items in the dictionary. So consider first one, A is 1, right? So if D of K, so what is K here? A. So D of K. So what is D of A? So what is D of A here? 1. So this value is 1. It is equal to, compare, if this is equal to our given value. So what is the value here? 2. V value is 2. 1 is equal to 2. True or false? False. So return K is not executed. So because the value is 1, but we need 2, right? Now another one, check another item. So what is the key here? P. What is the value? 1. So this condition is false. Check another one. R. What is the value? 2. Yes. Value is 2. What is D of R? D of R is 2. 2 is equal to 2. Return K. What is K here? R. R is written. K value is R. Right? So that is the point. Now consider same example. This is the program. So already we discussed. Finally, we are giving rise error, value error. When the value error will occur? Let's check. K equal to reverse lookup of. What is mean by reverse lookup of h comma 2 here? Right? This is function calling. This is function This is function calling, right? H comma 2. So H is a variable. So whatever the string is 2. In our example, so 2 print K. So what is K value? R. I am giving reverse lookup H comma 3. In this dictionary, any 3 value is there? No. So no 3 value. That's why it will generate value error. Right? So this is reverse lookup. Next, coming to the dictionaries and lists. Consider same example, parrot. This is the dictionary. Now, what is the relation between dictionaries and lists? Where we are using lists in the dictionaries. First, coming to the example, define a function. What is the function? Invert dictionary of D. I am inverting the dictionary. Right? So, before going to that, give one variable inverse. Right? So, DICT function. What is the meaning of this? It will generate inverse dictionary, empty dictionary. This generates empty dictionary of inverse. Right? Next, for key in D. For key in D. So this is our example. For key in D, so consider first one, A is 1. Right? For key in D, value equal to D of key. So value equal to D of key. What is key here? A. So D of A. So value equal to D of key. That means value equal to 1. Value equal to 1. Next, if value not in inverse, if that is true, what will happen? So 1 is not in inverse. So inverse is empty. If value is not in inverse, what will happen? Inverse of value equal to key. So what is the key here? A. What is the value? 1. Inverse of value. That means 1 colon list of key. That means A. Now, second one. What is the key? P. What is the value? 1. If value not in inverse, of course the value is here already present. Else, inverse of value. So same value, inverse of value 1 dot append of key. Append. So what is append here? You are adding another value into the list. So you will get P. Similarly for R, so 2 is not in the inverse, 2 is created, R is entered in the list. For T, 1 is already present, T is added. For O, 1 is already present, O is added. So like that, complete dictionary is reversed. So value, this is the value. So one time repeating items are A, P, T, O. 2 times repeating elements are R. Right? So like that. So return inverse. So this is the output. Right? So that's the concept, dictionaries and lists. That's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.